This is a brief overview of the Clarity Health Journal software package. Upon creating an account, it goes automatically to the personal details that you can create a profile of yourself. As you can see here, there is room for name, gender, an image of yourself if you like, which can be pulled up from your files. In this case, I've used a JPEG. Health card number, blood type, if you know it, your address, your city, country, and bear in mind that Canada is the first listed. It's not under Cameroon, it's at the top of the list. And other details of yourself, your phone number, your cell number. Also, you have the option of hiding it from the emergency report or adding it to that. At the bottom of the screen, you will see an overview of the information that was input, which I've just highlighted here. And to edit, you just click on the blue box at the top. Now, there are also other parts of the profile that can be input at that time, related sections. For example, family history, expenses, scanned documents, and insurance information. And they would fall under the documents section. And at the bottom, of course, there's a summary of the fields in each of these records. Right, this is the home page. So I've clicked on that here. And you can see what I'm pointing out here is that each of the drop-down menus also has a segment that can be accessed underneath, and then you can see here the blue bar at the bottom with my name in it. So that's my profile. I can edit that or go back to it at any time. Also, along the left-hand side is links, internet links, including a link to the Clarity Health Journal website, recent records, navigation overview for some information. Now here we're looking at the diabetes logbook and some associated sections that can also be filled in that might be related to the diabetes. You see here under ailments, I'm just going to go and do one section, conditions. Now they have conditions listed alphabetically, and I've chosen back pain, or it chose me, and you can put in a calendar date when everything was started, and it goes back quite a few years. So 1980, and once you select the actual date, it will close and enter the information in the field. And then the end date, you can choose the severity and add notes at the bottom, which I have done here. Now, I've saved the record here. So you see here under conditions, or ailments I should say, this condition will come up. And here there are associated records at the bottom. You can add medications, doctors, and it will tell you, and then give you the option of adding a new doctor, which I'm doing. And there's a flyout for the type of doctor. As it turns out, mine wasn't listed. So you can look through the list. Everything is alphabetical. Image of your doctor, if you should happen to have one. Hospital, phone number, email address, contact information, and then now I'm saving this record. So it's an associated record with back pain, that condition I have. Now here I have the option of editing or removing this association. So I can take the association away from the actual doctor record. I can delete the record, so there's more options on the side. I can add another doctor, or go to related topics. So here I'm going into another subsection of ailments. So I'm adding an allergy record. And you can be as brief as you like. Here I'm using the calendar flyout. Again, enter the date, and it enters into the field. Add notes, gluten intolerant, save the record. There you go. And these are similar throughout the program. I can delete, I can edit, I can add another allergy record. Events, dental visits, procedures, accidents, birth record, medications, prescription over-the-counter, vaccinations, vitamins, natural remedies, and also dosage tracking. So here are natural remedies I'm looking up. Again, they're all listed alphabetically. So I'm looking under D. So I decide to go to something I have used. There we go. Right. And there is information on that particular natural remedy to the left. You can go to the internet in Wikipedia to find more information on it. You can select the brand or specific version, the dosage, and add notes. And then again, there's associated records like conditions, medications, lab tests, etc., etc. Here we go. This is the link to the internet. Okay, so from here, we go to the monitoring section. Exercise, food diary. There's a good food diary in here. Write down what's been eaten. Entry date, entry time, time slot, breakfast, lunch, supper, name of food or drink, calories. All the information can be written down so you can save the record. And also anything related. Blood glucose monitoring for those with diabetes or hypoglycemia. Again, you know, what time the blood was monitored and what the level was. And these were the first ones we encountered under documents. Living will, lawyer or witness, notes, date, and also this is the contact section, so your doctors, which I have one in already, and also the associated record being back pain. And again, all the information is listed along the bottom of the screen. Dentists, add a dentist, all the contact information. Caregivers. And that's it. to change account information such as login, password, email settings, and to create a sub-account, so another person you would want on this as well, just go to the last section. And here we go. This is